Hello and welcome back to the Casual Chef Kitchen. I wanted to do a special thing on basically my mise en place or prep. I'd like to show you. Here is all of my mise en place for tonight's meal. And I have found over the last several months that by doing this type of mise en place, that I find my cooking much more efficient. And fortunately for me, I have all the bowls, for prep. So I actually find my meals are turning out better because I'm actually measuring and weighing my my product, my ingredients. So just kind of a helpful hint, if you're able to, do this type of prep, aka or mise en place, which means to put things in place. And with that, I say, have a great day, eat great food, have fun cooking. Bye.